been a challenging day.
Tell me about why it's been challenging, and tell me about, when you hear the judge talking about her reasoning and saying that the evidence that the complainant has brought is not credible or reliable.
Really clearly for me, from my own experience, there's a huge difference between the criminal system and the civil system. With the words that I would challenge us all not to forget is burden of proof beyond a reasonable doubt, evidence. I'll reflect directly on my experience where I was asked continually around dates and times and locations by sex crime detectives, to which I wanted to scream all the time, everywhere. So the reality of what you need to try to recall to actually attain the level of evidence that is necessary as a survivor is very challenging. I think there's a lot of gaps in the criminal system with respect to coercive control, with respect to rape responses, and I think we're seeing that here. And further, I just have an incredible level, pardon me.
It's okay, it's okay.
Of empathy for what she's been through. I would not want anyone to walk away from this experience and out of a trauma-informed place of respect to opinionate in public, because 30% of women in this country have been sexually assaulted. So please, on behalf of us all, don't talk about it with people you don't know. And then I'll also just share, going through being put on a stand and cross-examined to the extent that she was. This is trauma that I have no doubt beyond the verdict that she will live with, and I have the deepest level of empathy and love for her experience. I'm scared because this should never be taken as it didn't happen, in my opinion. And what I'm scared about as I work every day in sport around sexual violence and consent and other forms of maltreatment, that the verdict of this case would ever be taken as, well, we don't have a problem with the hockey culture, or it would ever be taken as frivolous. That really scares me, because I think it could send us backwards in very, very important work and acknowledgement of what needs to shift in sport.